We're making an easy yogurt parfait. I love this for a breakfast or a snack. It could even be a dessert, and it's put together in seconds. So we've got our yogurt base here, and there's a lot of plant-based yogurts on the market these days. This is a cashew base, but you can find coconut-based, soy-based, like I said, cashew, almond milk, lots of different types. I go for the unsweetened kind just to watch out for any added sugars. You can put any sweetener that you want into it, like a maple syrup, agave nectar, whatever you like, but we're gonna mix some toppings into it. So I have pepitas, which are a great source of protein and healthy fats and fiber. And then same with our chia seeds, which is great nutrients of all three of those, as well as some calcium. We're gonna throw those on top. And then I have a mixture of berries. So a really significant source of antioxidants and fiber. And of course, it's gonna give us a lot of bright, nice color. It's as simple as that. So we've got crunchiness from the pepitas and the chia seeds. We've got a nice tanginess and creaminess and smooth texture from the yogurt. And then we've got a nice touch of sweetness from the fruit. A lot of other fruits could be used too. A lot of other types of nuts and seeds could be great to give this variety. Like I said, add a sweetener or even add extracts like vanilla extract can jazz it up with some more flavor, or even granola. There's a lot of ways that we can jazz up a yogurt parfait. Coconut flakes, you name it. Yum! I usually like to mix it up. It's not gonna look quite as pretty as it did with the toppings in line, but that's okay. Give it a good mix. The chia seeds or anything like flax seeds are gonna make it a little thicker over time. So if you want that thicker, then definitely wait, 5 to 10 minutes or so. And if you don't, then go ahead and eat it right away. Yum. Smash that like and subscribe.